Okay, my friend, welcome back to my channel. How to get fast and cheap traffic to your affiliate link. You can use this traffic to promote your ClickBank affiliate link. You can promote your CPA offer, and of course, you can promote your Warrior Plus affiliate program. You can promote your blog or website or anything. Okay. With this video, guys, I will show you how to choose your product and how to get a 1,000 traffic to your affiliate link. Very cheap traffic. So let's start. First, go to a marketplace and type face Facebook traffic. Okay, right now you can see there is unlimited product here that you can promote and get commission. This is a good product. Basically, I like this product. Let's open it and check it. Okay, this product, my friends, I like this product, so I will, for this video, I will choose this product and promote this offer. Okay. The reason you can see here the title, very catchy title, and the price is good price. You can see here it's only at $38.30. So I will use this product to promote. So all you have to do, my friends, is click here, promote, and create. Now this is our link. Control C, copy and close the windows. Now I will show you my secret traffic that you can use. It's very cheap traffic. This traffic is like you see here. You can get 25,000 visitors to your link, only $14.74. It's very cheap traffic. This traffic comes from a PTC website, Traffic Exchange, PTR, and from Facebook and from YouTube. When you advertise on this website, you can click here, rotator. So when you advertise, your link will be on this rotator. So if you click here, refresh, you can see another product. Okay, when you refresh, you will see another product. Refresh, and okay, unlimited products you can see here. Okay, this is very good traffic, and you can advertise your link here and get thousands of visitors to your website. So let's back to the home page. Click here and go to home page. Okay, so all you have to do, my friends, is type your name, your email, your site URL. Okay, you don't need a domain and you don't need a host. All you need is your link and this website to advertise your link. Very important to read their service terms. Okay, it's very important. And the reason you can't advertise everything here, okay? You can advertise your ClickBank, your CPA, but let's say they can't advertise everything with this website. So all you have to do is read their terms and click this checkbox and click order now. Now you have here, sorry, I want another package. I like this package and order now. Okay, now you can see here your name, your email, your package. Okay, check it very well before you advertise, and your link, don't forget the http / okay, very important, don't forget this http / your price you can see here and click buy now. Okay, my friend, so log in and buy now. That's it, my friend. You will get unlimited traffic from this website. Like I said, you can promote anything with this website. You can build your list with this website. This is very cheap traffic and very good traffic. This is a real human traffic. Over 50% is USA visitors. You will get visitors from Canada, Australia, English speaker. Okay, so this is very good to advertise with this website and get unlimited traffic. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please click like and subscribe to my channel. I will put this link below this video. So if you want to test this traffic, you can click the link below this video and get traffic to your affiliate link. So thank you again, and see you in the next video. Thank you very much and good luck.